royalty-free music library. You can add professional audio tracks to your videos with just one click. This will make your videos more engaging and help them to stand out from the competition. 10 million plus inbuilt premium stock images and videos. Get access to our library of 10 million plus royalty-free images and videos. These are extremely high-quality premium stock which you can use to make your videos look professional. Add real human voiceovers. Forget about spending money on expensive voiceovers. You can just add your own voiceover or choose from our library of human-like AI voices. Export your video in HD 720p and HD 1080p. You can choose to export your video in 720p or 1080p quality. Both of these are HD, which means you can watch your videos on all devices with no pixelation issues. Why VidReviewz? Here are the major benefits you will get from VidReviewz. Leverage the highest converting review strategy for quick and easy sales. With VidReviewz you can quickly and easily create review videos that are proven to convert. This is the same strategy that top marketers have been using for years to make sales, and it's now available to you in just a few clicks. Easier, faster and profitable than other online methods. While other methods like blogging, SEO, or social media require a lot of time and effort to learn, execute and to see results, with review videos you don't need any of that. You can just create a short video, upload it to YouTube, and start getting traffic and sales quickly and easily. Get an unfair, unbeatable advantage over your competition. By using VidReviewz to create review videos, you will instantly give yourself an unfair advantage over your competition. While others are posting just 1-2 videos per week and wait for months to see results, you can be posting 10-20 videos per day and get results in hours. You don't need to be a video expert or show your face voice. Creating review videos is easy and doesn't require any video editing skills or experience. You also don't need to show your face or use your voice if you don't want to. Get unlimited traffic, leads and sales from review videos. There is no limit to the amount of traffic, leads or sales you can get from review videos. The more videos you create, the more results you will see. With VidReviewz, you can create 100 seconds or even 1,000s of review videos with just a few clicks. Get results in as little as hours from now. With VidReviewz you can create a review video in a few clicks and start getting results using our video ranking strategy in as little as hours from now. Imagine getting traffic, leads and sales on autopilot without having to spend any money on ads. Save thousands of dollars in video creation costs. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars on video creation or hiring expensive video creators. With VidReviewz, you can create professional quality review videos for a fraction of the cost. Save tons of time, effort and headache. Creating review videos can be time-consuming and frustrating if you don't have the right tools or know-how. With VidReviewz, you can create videos in minutes with just a few clicks. This will save you tons of time, effort and headache. Easily scale, grow and profit. Most marketers fail because they are not consistent, they run out of patience, time, money and get frustrated. With VidReviewz, you can create 100 seconds of videos, scale your business and make boatloads of money without ever getting discouraged. Because it's so simple. No editing skills, budget or experience required. You don't need any skills, budget, or experience to use VidReviewz. All you need is a desire to become successful. Just follow our simple step-by-step instructions and you'll be able to create traffic-getting, commission-generating video reviews in no time. It's suitable for complete newbies and experienced marketers alike. It doesn't matter if you're a complete newbie or experienced marketer, VidReviewz is suitable for anyone who wants to make money online. If you're a newbie, our simple instructions will help you get started quickly and easily. If you're an experienced marketer, our powerful features will help you scale your business to the next level. Free updates and forever. We don't just give you a product and walk away. We do our best to keep improving the product. We will continue to release new features and updates for free into the future. 24/7 support and 100% uptime guaranteed. Our team is always available to help. Whether you need help finding the perfect image or video or have a question about any of our products, we're here to assist you. Limited time. Fast action bonuses. But I am not stopping with just this, because I want you to succeed with your online business. Therefore, I am going to help you out even more by offering 4 additional bonuses that can help increase your results. Fast action bonus #1. Commercial license. The commercial license allows you to use our videos in any way you want. This means you can use them for your personal or commercial projects without any restrictions. You can sell videos created with VidReviewz to clients for any price you want. You can sell them on Fiverr, Upwork, or your forum, anywhere you want. This bonus is highly time sensitive. Once the launch is over, this offer is gone forever. Fast action bonus #2. Live web class. How to grow your YouTube channel. World-class training from one of the top YouTube marketer. See how he generated exactly $41,973.50 in the last 30 days. Learn the exact system with the step-by-step training. Fast action bonus #3. Our Express Video Ranking Cheat Sheet. Learn the exact strategies that makes a shorts go viral. The research part, the strategy, the step-by-step method. Learn everything you need to start driving traffic to your YouTube short videos in no time. What some of the early users are saying about VidReviewz. VidReviewz is the perfect choice for newbies and affiliate marketers who want to increase their affiliate commissions. Bloggers and website owners who want to get more traffic and engagement. Product reviewers who want to get more traffic, leads and sales for their reviews. E-com store owners who want to stand out from the competition, increase their sales and conversion rate. Local businesses who want to get more customers and grow their business. Coaches, consultants and service providers who want to get more clients. Authors and infoproduct creators who want to increase their book sales or product sales. Social media marketers who want to get more traffic, leads and sales from their social media posts. Anyone who wants to make more money online. It doesn't matter what your goals are, VidReviewz can help you achieve them. So what?